API authentication, the invisible bouncer of the internet. The thing stopping your app from getting hacked, exploited, or turning into the next Twitter API meltdown. Today we're diving into OAuth, JWT, and API keys, a chaotic love triangle that has ruined more developer weekends than JavaScript's type coercion. Back in the early days of the web, when dinosaurs roamed the earth and people still used Internet Explorer, every website invented its own weird authentication system. Then came OAuth, JWT, and API keys, created by engineers definitely running on expired Red Bull, trying to fix the world but accidentally inventing the world's most confusing security zoo. API keys are the simplest. Here's a secret string. Don't lose it. Don't leak it. Don't commit it to GitHub. Oh wait, you did. JWTs? A base 64 burrito stuffed with your identity, your claims, and your deepest secrets. Signed with crypto math that makes you feel smart until it expires and destroys your entire session. OAuth? A 14-step ritual that feels like trying to summon a demon in Latin. Redirect to here, call back to there. Authorization code, token exchange. Who designed this? The IRS. But despite the chaos, these tools actually work. API keys power millions of APIs, from weather apps to sketchy crypto exchanges. JWT scale beautifully across microservices, serverless, and that one coworker's weird Go service nobody wants to touch. And OAuth is the backbone of logging in with Google, Facebook, GitHub, or whatever other tech giant is harvesting your data today. Today, the Auth wars are officially back. OAuth 2.1 is rolling in, OAuth 3 is rumored, JWT libraries keep getting CVEs, API keys get leaked weekly on GitHub like it's a sport, and companies keep inventing new identity platforms nobody asked for. Meanwhile, AI now generates tokens, validates signatures, refreshes sessions, and occasionally hallucinates entire identities out of thin air. Welcome to Authentication in 2025, where even your login flow needs a risk assessment, an audit trail, and a therapy session. But don't worry, the industry is working on a new universal standard called Quantum BioAuth 9000, where you authenticate using your DNA, heartbeat, and Spotify playlist history. Just kidding, it's actually just another OAuth extension with slightly different JSON. In the end, authentication is like choosing a programming language. Everything sucks, but some things suck slightly less. API keys are simple. JWTs are flexible. OAuth is powerful and painful. Choose wisely, don't leak your secrets, and may your tokens never expire during a live demo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.